What if everything you've ever learned about Earth is wrong? What if Earth was never meant to be just a planet, but an experiment? Not a metaphor, not a theory from a sci-fi movie, a real ongoing experiment that we are all part of, without our consent. Think about it. Earth is the only known planet that supports complex life. Its distance from the sun is perfect. Its magnetic field protects us like a shield. Its atmosphere is balanced with impossible precision. One small change, and life collapses. That level of balance doesn't look accidental. It looks engineered. Now look at us. Humans are biologically fragile, yet mentally advanced. We don't belong perfectly to this planet. Our backs suffer from gravity. Our skin burns under the sun that supposedly created us. We destroy the very environment that keeps us alive, as if we were never designed to stay here forever. What if that's because we weren't? Some scientists have quietly asked an uncomfortable question. Why does human DNA contain unexplained gaps, regions that seem dormant, unused, almost locked? What if those sections aren't evolutionary leftovers, but control variables, switches waiting to be activated or observed? In every experiment, there are conditions: stress, conflict, scarcity, abundance. Earth has all of them. Wars, pandemics, natural disasters, they don't just test survival, they test behavior, cooperation, obedience, creativity, morality. Every global crisis generates massive amounts of data, and we generate it willingly through technology, satellites, social media, and constant monitoring. What if climate change isn't just a failure, but a test? How will the subjects react when the environment turns against them? Will they unite, adapt, or destroy each other? Now consider how often humanity feels watched. Unexplained signals from space, objects moving in ways our physics can't explain. Ancient cultures describing gods who came from the sky, taught humans, then disappeared. Maybe they weren't gods. Maybe they were observers. Every experiment needs observers, and every experiment eventually reaches a conclusion. Maybe that's why humanity is obsessed with space, Mars, the moon, exoplanets, as if something inside us remembers that Earth is temporary, that we were placed here to grow, to evolve, to be measured before moving on, or being shut down. So what happens when the experiment ends? Graduation? Contact? A reset? Or extinction? If Earth is an experiment, then the most terrifying question isn't who created it, but whether we're passing the test, and whether anyone is still watching right now.